Well, hey, my algebra students. Hope everything is going well. Now, here's the test. I thought we could go over it, hopefully to help you. X is greater than 6 or X is bigger than 10. Bigger than 10 is already bigger than 6. So therefore, it's the longer one. So greater than 6. If it's and, it's the shorter one because you need it true for both, and 7 is bigger than 6, but it is not bigger than 10, so it has to be bigger than 10, so it's true for both. Now this one, you're going in opposite directions. You must show a blank number line, and it's no reals. This one is overlapping going in opposite directions. It's or, so it's all reals. Now this one, you subtract 8 to everything, then you divide everything by 4. So you get this. This means between the two. So this is your graph, between 3 and 8, including 3 and 8. This one, you add 1, multiply by 3 to get rid of the fraction. So x is bigger than 21. Here you divide by -2. So this is your graph. This one, distribute the 4x minus 12. Combine it with the minus x, so you get 3x. Subtract x, so it's 2x. Add 12 to both sides, divide by 2. This one, divide by 5, you get x is less than 10. It's and, so it's all the numbers bigger than 6, but at the same time smaller than 10, so it's between the two. Now the absolute value, a lot of people messed up, because when it's absolute value with a variable, there's 2 parts. 2 parts. So 3x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 9, or the opposite is greater than or equal to 9. So add 6, divide by 3. Here, you subtract 6, divide by -3. Switch the inequality. So it's going in opposite directions. This one, write it without the absolute value. Less than is and, the opposite of what's inside. So I already took the opposite of both. Opposite of 4 is -4. Opposite of minus x is plus x. Add 4, and it's everything in between. That's a typical and. Now, arithmetic sequence, this was extra credit. I have a feeling a lot of us didn't watch this. But to find the formula, or the function is another way to say it, it's the starting value, which is 12, plus n minus 1 times the change in value. It's going down by 3. So distribute the -3. 12 and 3 is 15. So that's the formula. I was afraid a lot of us didn't watch that. I hope next semester you do what the teacher asks. Write it without the absolute value, then take the opposite. So add 1, multiply by 4. Subtract 1, multiply by -4. So it's everything in between. Typical and for absolute value. This one, you write it without the absolute value. Greater is or. You take the opposite. Opposite of -5x is 5x. Divide by -5. Divide by 5. Going in opposite directions. Now, for the direct variation, which again I have a feeling some of you did not watch, the first thing you do is find k. So it's y equals kx, so we put in 10 for y, 6 in for x, divide by 6 to get k by itself, and the equation of the direct variation is y equals 5/3 x. That's what k is. So then you put 15 in for y, multiply both sides by 3/5, you get 9. So a few people got that. So have a good Christmas vacation. Work hard for your next teacher. And your grades are up.